Chapter 1. At the Beach.
Hi, Kyle. How are you?
Hi, Jody. Fine, thanks. You?
I'm fine too, thanks. Hey, what's this?
It's a tracker.
What's it for?
Shh, listen.
What is it?
I don't know. Wait a minute.
What's that?
Oh, it's a can. An orange juice can.
Oh, Kyle, listen. There's something else here.
Jody, look.
What are they, Kyle?
I don't know.
Chapter 2. An exciting discovery.
Are they coins?
Maybe.
Look at the writing. Is it Spanish?
I don't know. Let's ask my grandpa.
Good idea.
These coins are interesting. They look very old.
Do you think they're valuable?
Maybe.
Excuse me, what's in your hand?
Some coins. Have a look.
Are they silver?
I don't know. We're going to ask my grandfather.
Come on, Kyle. Let's go.
Hey, kids, do you want a drink? Cola, orange juice, chocolate milk?
Yes, please. Can we have some orange juice?
Chapter 3. An accident on the beach.
How much is that?
$1.25.
Here you are.
Thank you. Oh! Yikes!
Watch out!
Are you okay?
My drinks! My drinks!
Don't worry, they're all right.
Thanks very much, kids.
That's okay.
You're welcome.
Oh, Jody, I'm very excited. I think the coins are valuable.
Yes, maybe they are silver. Let's go see your grandpa.
Chapter 4. Are the coins valuable?
I have the coins.
What coins? What do you mean, boss?
Look, come on. Let's take them to my friend Woody. What do you think, Woody? Are they valuable?
How many coins do you have?
6. There are 6 coins.
These coins are silver. And they're old. They're worth a lot of money.
How much money, Woody?
About $1 million.
$1 million? Wow!
Thanks, Woody.
Where are we going, boss?
To see the museum director. Now don't say another word. Here they are, sir.
These are wonderful. They're very old. Look at the writing. They're Spanish.
What else?
Look, there's a Spanish ship on them and a date, 1662.
Do you want the coins for your museum?
Oh, yes, they're very important.
Let's talk about the money.
Chapter 5. The coins are missing.
Grandpa, where are you?
Hi, Kyle. I'm in the kitchen.
We have something for you to look at.
You look excited. Is it important?
It's something we found on the beach.
Well, let's put it on the living room table.
Oh, no! Where are they?
What's the matter?
My coins, they're gone!
Are you sure? Look in your bag again.
They aren't here, Jody.
Calm yourself, Kyle. Try to remember where you put them.
Do you want the coins, Mr. Thomas?
Yes, I do. How much do you want for them?
I want $1 million.
$1 million? We don't have that kind of money.
$1 million or no deal.
Okay, I can try. Come back tomorrow afternoon.
If you want these coins, make sure you have the money by 2:30 tomorrow.
Chapter 6. At the police station.
We were on the beach. I put the coins in my bag.
That's right. And then there were those two men with the drinks.
That's it, Jody. They were near my bag. They have my coins.
Are you sure?
Yes, I'm sure.
Let's go to the police. Come on.
Can you describe the men?
Yes, one man is tall and thin. He has brown hair and a beard.
What's he wearing?
A colored shirt and dark trousers. And he's wearing gym shoes.
What about the other man?
He's short and quite fat. He has blonde hair and blue eyes. He's wearing black boots, blue jeans, and a white shirt.
Can you see the two men?
No, I can't. Their pictures aren't here.
I'm sorry, we can't help you.
Chapter 7. At the coffee shop in the mall.
$1 million. That's a lot of money, boss. What are you going to buy?
Oh, a big house with a swimming pool.
I want a private jet and some expensive clothes. And I want a big boat to sail around the world.
What time is it?
12 o'clock. Why?
I'm hungry. Let's go eat something.
Me too. Let's go to the coffee shop in the mall.
Good idea. Come on.
What would you like? We want 2 submarine sandwiches, please.
And an orange juice for me and chocolate milk for her, please.
Kyle, there are the 2 men from the beach.
Yikes! Jody, you're right!
Where are we going now, boss?
Home. I want to think.
Quick, Jody. They're leaving. Let's follow them. Get back, Jody. They mustn't see us.
Chapter 8. Tall Man catches Kyle and Jody.
Kyle, I can see them. They're inside.
Be careful, Jody. Don't let them see us.
Ah!
Boss, listen. There's someone outside.
Are you sure? I can't hear anything.
Yeah, I heard the noise.
Put me down!
Get your hands off me!
Well. The kids from the beach. What do you want?
I want my coins.
Coins. What coins? Put them in the basement. We don't want any trouble. And tie them up.
You can shout for help if you want, but no one can hear you down here.
You creep!
What can we do?
I have an idea. There's a penknife in my pocket. Can you get it?
I can try. Can you move up nearer, Jody?
Okay. Now try.
Chapter 9. Locked in the basement.
Good afternoon. Please sit down. Now, about the coins.
Do you have our money?
The museum wants the coins, but we don't have enough money.
Why not?
I need more time. Can you come back tomorrow?
I can't get it. It's too difficult.
Try again, Kyle.
Jody, I have the knife.
Well done, Kyle. Now cut the rope.
I can't do it. The rope is too thick. The knife isn't sharp enough.
Press harder.
That's it. We're free.
We must try to escape. Come on. Oh no, we can't get out.
Why? What's the matter?
The door is locked.
What can we do now?
We have to pick the lock. We need something small.
What about this coat hanger?
No, it's too big. Wait, maybe I can use my hair slide.
Chapter 10. Kyle and Jody escape.
We can't wait. We're going to take the coins to another museum.
No, we want those coins for our museum. Okay, come back in 1 hour. I will have the money.
You have 1 hour.
Hello? I want the police.
What are you gonna do with that?
Watch. Put it in the lock. Turn it. Yes, it's opening!
Shh! I can hear something.
Boss, I can hear a strange noise.
Maybe it's those kids. Go look.
Stupid kids. They can't escape. I have the key. Shut up, you kids. Don't make a noise. You can't escape from here.
Yes. Don't worry, sir. We'll be good.
Look at these coins, tall man. Are they real?
You know they are, boss. Mr. Thomas told us that.
No, they're fake, but they look like the real coins.
But why do you have fake coins?
Woody gave them to me. I need them for my plan.
Chapter 11. Short Man's Plan.
What's your plan, boss?
I'm gonna sell these fake coins to the museum.
What are they saying, Kyle?
They're taking some fake coins to the museum.
But boss, where are the real coins?
They're here, in a safe place in the house.
What are we going to do after we get the money?
We're gonna take the real coins and leave town. Here are our tickets for Mexico. Now, let's go.
It's okay, Jody. They're gone.
Let's call the police.
No, the coins first. I have an idea. Let's go get the tracker.
Try the living room again.
Nothing. They're not here.
Let's look in the bedroom. What about under the bed or behind the cupboard?
They're here, near the chest of drawers.
I think I know where they are. They're in the piggy bank.
The silver coins!
Do you have the money?
Yes, here's your money. Sign your name here.
Here are the silver coins. Let's go.
Chapter 12. Help.
Boss! The kids! They're in here!
They have the coins! Quick, get them!
Jody, run to the basement door!
Over here, you big gorilla!
Ah!
Got you!
Good work, Kyle.
Give me those coins, boy!
Never! They're my coins!
This way, Kyle. Hurry! Help me! Help! Help!
Let the boy go, now!
You are under arrest. We're taking you to the police station.
Okay, guys, he's not hurt.
Chapter 13. A Happy Ending.
You two are going to prison for a very long time.
Those pesky kids.
Are we going to Mexico now, boss?
Look, Kyle. You and Jody are famous. Your story is in the newspaper.
Let me see. Look, Jody, there's a photo, too.
Thanks to you, Kyle and Jody, those two crooks are locked up in prison. And these important coins are safe in the museum.
Can you tell us something about the coins, Mr. Thomas?
They are very old and rare coins. They come from a Spanish ship. Its name was the Atocha. In the autumn of 1662, on the 4th of September, it left Cuba for Spain. There were a lot of precious things on the ship. There were 400 bars of gold and 120,000 silver coins. There were pearl necklaces and bracelets, rings and gold plates. But the weather was bad and the ship was in trouble. It sank to the bottom of the ocean, and all the precious things were lost. The legend says that the ship is still there, under the sea near the Florida coast. Sometimes silver coins are found on the beaches near the ship, washed up by the waves.
What are you going to do with the reward money, Kyle?
I'm gonna buy a bigger tracker.
Are you crazy? Why?
There were 120,000 coins on the Atocha. We found 6. I want to find the other 119,994. Do you want to help me?
No, thanks. It's too dangerous. I'm going to play beach volleyball. It's safer.